7:52 and Ed's in the car, impatiently waiting. We have a ice cave tour today. We've had minimal sleep and we're so unprepped for it. It's not even daytime yet. Have I got... Is that my lunch?
That's mine.
Did I?
Oh, did you pick up that new bag?
I forgot my lunch. Crap. Crap. We are on a bit of a schedule. Oh, poo. Well, we've basically got a 5-hour car journey now, but when we're there, it's going to be amazing.
Do you remember the time we used to spend? Oh, baby, I can't let it go. I can't let it go. Oh, do you remember when we were friends? Oh, baby, I won't let it go. What if you give me a chance to know I'm meant for you?
I'm going to brave the toilet in about 5, so I'll check in with you later.
So we're here at a tour. We've made it and it is blustery, rainy, but the icebergs are out. And I'm gonna have to wait inside definitely until we go on our tour. So stick with us.
You come and sit in and you guys will be here in a short time.
Okay.
Just finishing lunch.
No
You
problem.
see? Edward Baxter, right?
Yes.
Here you go, come on in.
I think I can prep for it. So sat in the car and like zip my coat up and stuff.
Sure. And then
Thank you. Oh.
stuck. Only a few minutes. Cheers.
So is it everyone's first time in Iceland?
Yeah.
Yes. Welcome to Iceland, guys. I'm gonna teach you guys how to say it. I can take the word and put it into 3 shorter words. And I want everybody to repeat after me. So the first one is Breiða. Breiða. Very good. And that means the wide or the large. The next one is Merkur.
Merkur.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, of course, Ted gets it.
Merkur.
Why you're not teaching us that?
The last one is Jökull.
Jörgik.
Jökull.
Jörgik.
Not yogurt. Jökull.
Jörgik.
And that, of course, is a glacier. Breiðamerkurjökull. Gonna come outside and open up the door for you guys. Then we're gonna meet at the back of the vehicle where I'll give you guys helmets.
You don't need crampons?
An amazing experience on this trip. That was insane. That was absolutely insane. The weather definitely added to how it looked in there with the rain pouring in the cave. It was just the ice was crisp blue. It's absolutely amazing.
Oh, I didn't realise you were filming. Oh, for God's sake.
I think everybody wants to see that. Yeah.
Oh, in the face! Can everyone see?
Oh, for God's sake. You're really butchering the presentation.
Oh, straight in the face.
You can hear it. Thanks, you. Cheers, thank you. How was that?
That was great. It would have been better if I didn't leave my Corona in my pocket. It's like mush.
Okay. Well, some long drives, but we are now just gonna stop here in Selfoss for some food and a drink, and just take it easy now. We're about an hour away from home, but it's been a long road. But how pretty is this town? Very pretty.